Welcome to DIY with Ollie. Today we're gonna make Sculpey Tree Ornaments. They tingle and they're so sparkly. We'll be using Sculpey's Holiday Wonder set. It is a super pretty glittery set. You can add sparkle to your holiday crafts. This one reminds me of hot chocolate. Yum! Before we get started making these pretty trees, please like and subscribe. Today we're gonna need Sculpey's Holiday Wonder set, a silicone baking sheet, ornament hooks, a dough scraper, Sculpey Tools, a rolling pin, a wire, and beads. First, let's make a red tree. Now, let's make some polka dots. I'm gonna use this pretty white ball. So first, you take some clay and then turn it into a tiny ball. Then put it on. Repeat, and don't forget to press down. Now take your rolling pin and roll it to smooth the polka dots. Now take your dough scraper and cut out a triangle. The bottom first, then the sides. Now cut your triangle into 3 pieces, like this. Then use a wire and poke holes on the middle top and the middle bottom on each piece. Now make some more trees like this, but with different colors and different designs. Here are my trees. Now bake this at 275 degrees for 10 minutes. We're done baking! Does it look so pretty and sparkly? Now mix and match your trees any way you want. I think this looks perfect. Okay, let's put the tree together. First, hook the wire onto the first piece, then pinch. Then put the bead onto the wire, and then bend the wire backwards. Then put on your second piece, then pinch again. Now take your second piece of the wire and then hook it on. And then again, pinch. Put the bead onto the wire and then bend it backwards. Then put on your last piece, then pinch. And there you have it, your own tree. Now take your ornament and put a beautiful hook like this and put it on your tree. That's it, we're done. I hope you have a happy holiday and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!
DIY with Ollie! Arts, crafts, yummy treats, lots to do, lots to eat. Come and join in the fun. Let's get making, let's get baking, let's get arty and messy. DIY with Ollie.com